maker of consensus. He or she is a true leader. Throughout the centuries, there have been men who took their first steps down new roads armed with nothing but their own vision. And today, our new council will do the same. A warm welcome to everyone present here. We welcome you for the virtual investiture ceremony of Thakur International School, IGCSE and A levels for the academic year 2021-2022. Investiture ceremony is one of the most solemn and significant events of our school that epitomizes duty, responsibility, and discipline.
Let us commence the event by lighting the ceremonious samai and invite the divine wave to bless the occasion. I would like to request Ms. Sultana to begin the ceremony.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदम् शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय श्रीपञ्चोतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते श्रीपञ्चोतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते
In our Indian culture, it is a tradition to take blessings from Lord Ganesha for any event. We pray to Lord Ganesha to remove all obstacles of technical glitches. Now, we have a special and a graceful dance performance by our grade 8 student, Ms. Varisha.
गणनायकाय धीमताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Must say, a thrilling performance. On this auspicious note, I once again extend a warm welcome to everyone present here. Our esteemed guests, our beloved head of school, Ms. Tina Paleja, coordinators, parents, and our dear students. I take this opportunity to thank our trustee, Karishma ma'am, who is a constant driving force for all our endeavors. I would also like to bring forth the vision of our chairman, Mr. V.K. Singh, and trustee, Mrs. Varsha Singh, which has always been to encourage students to walk ahead bravely and become tomorrow's torchbearer. A hearty welcome to Mrs. Hemali Vyas, COO of Thakur Public School ICSC and Thakur International School ICSC. Mrs. Yogini Suvarna, Principal of Thakur Public School ICSC and Mrs. Pradnya Ganguly, Principal, Thakur International School ICSC, for being a part of this event today. Welcome to one and all once again. And now, I would like to invite our head of school, Nasina Paleja, to address the gathering.
Yes, Thank you, Ms. Heta, for introducing me. A warm welcome to each one present here today. I would like to welcome, on behalf of the entire Thakur International School, IGCSE and A levels, to all present here today. We are gathered here today, this afternoon, to for the sworning ceremony of our newly elected council. Before we begin, I would like to just share a few words. I'd just like to share a few words where I'm so sorry, am I audible? Yes. Let me start by quoting a few famous names of leaders in history like Mahatma Gandhi, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King. What was common in all of them that made them such famous and remarkable leaders? It was their qualities that persuaded people to respect and follow them. A leader is the one who knows the path, shows the path, and walks on the path. We have come across some of the best qualities that a leader possesses. Leadership is all about being diligent, active, selfless, visionary, calm, and helpful. It is also about being a good listener. So, my dear students, here is wishing you all the luck for the new roles that you're going to be sworn in this afternoon. Remember the qualities of a good leader, implement these in your daily functioning, and do give your best for keeping up the name of TIS at the peak. So, without any further ado, over to you for the rest of the ceremonies.
Thank you, Hina ma'am, for your stimulating words. Thank you so much.
So now I would like to welcome someone very special amongst us today, someone with an illustrious and noteworthy career record that is inspiring and encouraging and makes us extremely proud to have her with us. I'm profusely overjoyed to take the opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day. She is none other than Ms. Pooja Chavan Ingle, a police inspector in the Anti-Corruption Bureau, Worli. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
She has done her MSc in geology from St. Xavier's College, Mumbai in the year 2010. Then the same year, she also qualified the police sub-inspector exam through Maharashtra Public Service Commission, that is MPSC, in the first attempt. Completed 1 year of police training at Maharashtra Police Academy, Nasik. Her first posting was at Vile Parle Police Station in 2012, where she served for 4 years. From 2017 to 2019, she worked as an externment officer at Kandivali Police Station. She is also known for women-related cases such as domestic violence, kidnapping, etc. Add on to her degrees, she had also done a diploma in cyber law, so she also investigated cyber-related cases. Taking one more step closer to her success, she got promoted from sub-inspector to assistant inspector, Anti-Corruption Bureau in 2019. This is to remind you, ma'am, that you have come a long way, completed a 10 years long journey in the police department, and your contributions will continue to inspire us. Now, I would like to request you to share a few words of motivation with our students today.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the introduction.
My pleasure.
Now to the respected principal, teachers, and staff, and dear students of Thakur International School, good afternoon to all of you. Thank you for inviting me to your student leader investiture ceremony. I am both humbled and privileged to be speaking to you today. First, let me congratulate the outgoing student leaders. You have been good role models. I hope the leadership experience that you have gained will put you in good state in the years ahead and prepare you well for the future. To the incoming student leaders, your investiture marks a major milestone, both in your learning journey in Thakur International School as well as in your personal development as future leaders of our country. The school sees great great potential in you, and your investiture as student leader is a testament to the confidence that the school has in your leadership capability. Now, with this vote of confidence from school, the question then is, how do you exercise leadership in your respective fields? What are your leadership aims and goals? What do you wish to achieve as a student leader in this academic year? This is an important question. As you think about what you wish to achieve, this year also happens to be an important year for our country as well as the whole world, as we have to still fight and come out of this pandemic situation. Hence, in your leadership journey, you can look towards our pioneers for strength and inspiration. What can we learn from them? There are three keys. Remember these three keys you possibly can go through in your leadership journey. First key is to have courage, which refers to the mental and emotional strength that allows one to face adversity with courage. You, as a leader, will meet your fair share of challenges. You will encounter obstacles and stumbling blocks along your journey of leadership, sometimes even failures. But do not let these obstacles and failures lead you to distress. Take them as part of your learning journey and improve yourself with each challenge. As Thomas Edison once said, I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Now, the second key is be passionate. The things you do, whichever things you do, be passionate about it. According to Albert Einstein, he said, I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. So just don't do things simply for the sake of doing so or just because it's the in thing to do. Without understanding and believing in what you are doing, you will find the things you are doing a task or duty or a job. We should strive to be ardent in the way we carry our task. We carry out our task. Okay. Now the third key is relentless. To be relentless in your pursuit of excellence. Don't give up at the earliest instance or convenience. Don't settle down when you are able to rise above the occasion. Now, someone has said, good is often enemy of great. So, which is true, okay? Simply because the majority of people quite content being just good or even average. Whatever you do, be the best. In closing now, I would like to thank the school, the Thakur International School, once again for inviting me to your student leaders investiture ceremony. To all student leaders in front, I can see today, both past and present, you represent the future of our country. So, as student leaders, you can start by first contributing to your school, and in time to come, you too can be pioneers of our generation to shape the India of tomorrow's. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the kind, motivating, and inspiring words, ma'am. I'm sure that all the parents here are also motivated to support and help their children to be like you. Thank you once again.
Language of music involves no words. It speaks in emotions. Leo Tolstoy famously dubs it as shorthands of emotions. Continuing the same spirit and accompanied by some elevating musical notes, we now have an igniting performance by our students, Miss Vari and Miss Nikki.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Just how a single word can make a whole I'm not a fool one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, breaking balls inside my brain. I will scream them out tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Do my right song. My power's trying on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else breathes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. Losing friends and I'm chasing sleep. Everybody's worried about me standing too deep. Yeah, I'm in too deep. And it's been 2 years, I miss my home. But there's a fire burning in my bones. And I still believe. Yeah, I still believe. In all those things I didn't say. Like it was the time I prayed. I was screaming loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Do I'm alright song. My power's trying on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else breathes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. A lot of fight left in me. Like a snowboat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Just a single word can make a whole open. But it's only one match that I can make an explosion.
Wow, those are some empowering, honest, and emotional lyrics. And yes, we all have had rejection and struggles, and at those times, it was important to fight back and never give up. This song just reminded us that we should always listen to the teeny, tiny little brave voice in our heart and never give up on our dreams. Thank you for reminding us of that, Vari and Nikki. All these years, while in school, the investiture ceremony always began with an impressive procession of the school council to set the tone of the decorum and gravity of the investiture. It began with our have been council members marching down the aisle, all set to pass on the light of their experience and responsibility to the new council members. And although in keeping with the times and we are observing the ceremony online, we have certain limitations. But I'm sure that all of us here are very excited to know who will be the torch bearers for the new academic year.
And now it is time for the momentous event for which we have gathered here today. The school core committee will now be introducing the school student body council over the academic year 2021-22. Over to you, Akshay sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Master Rakshan Prem Kumar, you have been elected as the school head boy.
Rakshan has a multifaceted personality who believes that success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. He is a passionate leader who with the potential of breathing life into his aspirations. His exceptional oratory skills have earned him the respect of one and all. Congratulations, Akshant.
I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected head boy being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much for the video, ma'am.
Miss Avni Mishra, you have been elected as school head girl.
Avni endears everyone with her sweetness and innocence, but at the same time possesses rock solid determination to excel in every walk of life. She is also a respectful girl who is reliable for all school activities. Congratulations, Miss Avni.
I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected head girl being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much for the video, ma'am.
Master Ronak Jaiswal, you have been elected as sports captain.
Ronak is a committed sports person and has made valuable contributions to the school. Ronak is a committed sports person and has made valuable contributions to the school. He shows exceptional leadership and sportsmanship in the field as well as outside the field. Ronak is determined and brings forth positive competitiveness to all competitions. Congratulations, Ronak.
For this, I would like to request Ms. Sultana again to play the video of our newly elected sports captain being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much, ma'am. Congratulations to Ronak, Rakshant, and Avni. Thank you. We move on to our house captains and vice captains now. With the intention of creating a greater sense of belongingness and responsibility, along with the desire to nurture healthy competition amongst us, we are divided into 4 houses: Shamrock, Maple, Olive, and Laurel, named after the leaves of strong, vibrant, and young trees in nature. Just as Mother Nature gives us deep and humbling messages which are pure and refreshingly simple, our school mission is to provide an inspiring ambience where young minds like us can be groomed to build a harmonious world and reach the heights of excellence ingrained with ethical values. Over to you, Akshasa.
Miss Nikki Bhatia, you have been elected as Shamrock House captain. Shamrock's motto is believe, achieve, succeed.
Nikki is an avid reader who believes in expanding her boundaries through her reading. She personifies hard work and dedication in whatever she takes up. This melodious singer is organized, dedicated, helpful, and disciplined, which makes her a great leader.
I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected Shamrock's house captain being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much for the video, ma'am.
Master Maulik Sinha, you have been elected as Shamrock House Vice Captain.
Maulik exemplifies dedication and passion. He is a passionate sportsman, which means he is disciplined, fit, and ready to face challenges that come in his way. He is a motivator and an enthusiast himself, making him a leader to look up to.
I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected Shamrock's House Vice Captain being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Master Abhishek Vengurlekar, you have been elected as the Maple House Captain. Maple's motto is achieve ace, withstand with awakening creative energy.
Abhishek is a conscientious student. He believes in delivering his best on every occasion. He likes to collaborate with his peers and excel in the task allotted. He is a team player and brings positive energy to all with his pleasant personality.
For this, I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected Maples House Captain being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much, Sultana ma'am.
Miss Jia Doshi, you have been elected as Maple House Vice Captain.
Gia is a soft-spoken but who ensures good results in teamwork. She has the ability to keep her team encouraged and united by setting an example. Her organization skills are what will surely bind her team together. Congratulations, Gia.
And for this, I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected Maples House Vice Captain being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much, ma'am, for the video.
Miss Warisha, you have been elected as the Olive House Captain. Victorious we emerge is the motto of Olive House.
Vari is diligent and hardworking student. This has been reflected over years through her academic and extracurricular activities. Her helpful nature is her USP. She believes that everyone is capable of doing well and hence she is a great motivator. Congratulations, Vari.
Now I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected Olive's House captain being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much.
Master Divit Tasgaukar, you have been elected as Laurel House captain. Laurel's motto being Achiever No Have Finish Line.
David combines scintillating intelligence with refreshing spontaneity. He is caring, mature, and an honest. He is a confident speaker. He works with dedication and loves to present his work in the most creative manner possible. Congratulations, David.
For this, I would like to request Ms. Sultana again to play the video of our newly elected Laurel's House captain being honored by badge and sash. Thank you so much for the video, ma'am.
Master Veer Sangvi, you have been elected as the Laurel House vice captain.
Veer is organized and disciplined. He believes in working together as a team and not taking the credit alone. He is an avid reader who incorporates his learning through his encouragement to his teammates in order to claim victory in whatever task is assigned to him. Congratulations, Veer.
I would like to request Ms. Sultana to play the video of our newly elected Laurel's House vice captain being honored by badge and sash. Many congratulations to each member of the council. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Council.
I would now like to invite Hina ma'am for the oath taking ceremony.
Council members, you have been honored with an office full of duties and responsibilities. The council must be exemplary in conduct and application, cheerful, sociable with initiatives and leadership. It is your duty to bring to the notice of the authorities reasonable suggestions of your companions, thus always standing by the head of the school's decision. You will be expected to be faithful to your fellow students, respectful to your teachers, and above all, loyal to your school. Do you accept the office of the school council with its duties and responsibilities? You may now take the oath.
I, Master Rakshant Prem Kumar,
I, Miss Avni Mishra,
accept the
accept the
office
office
of the
of
school
the school
council
council with its duties
with
and
its duties and
responsibilities.
responsibilities and
I
promise
promise loyalty
loyalty to the school
to the school
and to my
and to my
companions.
companions.
I now present to you the Student Council body for the academic year 2021-22.
I now invite Mr. Akshay Vadikar, our physical education teacher, to address the newly elected council.
Thank you, ma'am. I extend my congratulations to the newly elected Student Council body. I am certain that you will fulfill your duties and responsibility diligently and serve as an advocate for and function effectively in a team environment. I would like to remind you that your role is one of the great significance in the smooth functioning of the school. We accept nothing but the best from you with respect to you, participation and leadership in the area of academics, extracurricular activity, community service, school spirit, school events, and student teacher relation. I trust that you will lead by example and strive to promote friendship and respect among your peers. Enhance communication between student, management, and staff member, and work towards the overall well-being of the school. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
And now we move on the team that's going to keep us updated with all the events and happenings in the school by virtue of the online newsletter Footprints. A team that is synonymous with integrity, accuracy, and industriousness. Editorial team for the year 2020, 2022, 2021, and 2022. I would now like to invite Ms. Preksha for this to introduce our editors to all of you.
Thank you, Ms. Heta. Here's introducing the editorial team to you all. And we start with Master Rhythm Sharma, Grade 5. Miss Enya Matre, Grade 5. Miss Hiya Pujara, Grade 6. Miss Sadika Dhalgarkar, Grade 6. Master Abhiram Kapoor, Grade 7. Miss Ridhima Bhasale, Grade 7. Master Mohammad Sarim Sheikh, Grade 9. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations, editors. According to Colin Powell, success is the result of perfection, hard work, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence. We are happy to share that this year too, our results are amongst the best. Without further ado, now I would request the head of school, Ms. Hina Palija, to unveil the name of our topper at IGCSE level for the year 2020.
Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, on the first position, we have Miss Melosa Rao with a percentage of 93.62%.
Congratulations, Melosa. Next, I would like to request our secondary coordinator, Math and Commerce Head of Department, Ms. Vaishali, to share the name of the second topper.
On the second position is Ms. Riya Shah with a percentage of 93.25%. Congratulations, Riya.
Congratulations, Riya. Next, I would like to request Mr. Sushil to share the name of the third topper.
On the third position, Mr. Harshil Dave, who scored 91.62%. Congratulations, Mr. Harshil.
Congratulations, Harshil. Next, I would like to request our A-Levels coordinator and examination officer, Ms. Bhavna Sharma, to announce the name of A-Levels topper.
Our A-level toppers for the year 2020 is Mr. Dhruv Sharma, and his overall percentage of 79%. Congratulations, Dhruv.
Congratulations, everyone.
We are not done yet. We now move on to announcing the names of our toppers with a marvelous performance at IGCSE and A level exams for the year 2021. I would like to request Hina ma'am once again to do the honors.
Yes, thank you, Heta. Our topper for the year 2021 is Miss Palakshi Maheshwari, who has scored a whooping 98.2. Congratulations, Miss Palakshi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, I would like to request Miss Vaishali to share the name of the second topper.
Yes, on the second position is Miss Rajni Mahidar, who scored 96.4%. Congratulations, Rajni.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Moving on, I would like to request Miss Pinky to share the name of the third topper.
On the third position, we have Master Vedant Jamiar, who achieved 95.4%. Congratulations, Vedant.
Last but not the least, I would request Miss Bhavna Sharma ma'am to share the name of the A level topper.
The A-level topper for the year 2021 is Ms. Sumanna Murali Krishnan. She scored 80.6% overall percentage. Congratulations, Sumanna.
Congratulations to all the students, parents, and the teachers. Well done, class of 2020 and 2021. I would now like to invite Ms. Ruksar to deliver the vote of thanks.
With this, we come to the end of our virtual investiture ceremony. We would like to thank the backbone of our school, Mrs. Varsha Singh and Karishma ma'am, for always supporting us in our endeavors. Our guest of honor, Mrs. Ingle, who took out time out of her busy schedule to be here with us. A special thanks to our head of school, Ms. Hina Paleja, our coordinators, Ms. Bhavna Sharma, Ms. Vaishali Gandhi, and Ms. Bhavna Bharadwaj, along with Tejal ma'am, for their constant support and guidance. We would like to thank all our enthusiastic team of teachers who have been working seamlessly day and night to make this virtual event a great success. We would also like to thank Ms. Nishtha Hinduja and her associates for all the support. Our heartfelt thanks to our dear parents and students for being here today with us and making this virtual investiture ceremony a grand success. Once again, thank you all.
Yes, thank you, Ms. Ruksar. I would just like to add up our special guests for today. Hemali ma'am, Miss Hemali ma'am, Miss Hemali Vyas, Miss Yogini and Miss Pradnya. Thank you, ma'am, for being us and showering your blessings onto the newly elected council. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being with us today.
In the words of Henry Ford, coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. That has worked with the spirit of camaraderie and this year as one that will be remembered.
I now request everyone to rise for the school anthem and the national anthem.
Thank you everyone for being a part of our virtual investiture ceremony. It was an extreme delight to have so many participants join us today. Thank you very much to all our special guests for blessing our event. Thank you everyone. I would now request all the students to start logging out. Thank you very much, students. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Rudhima. Bye. Bye, everyone. Students, kindly log out. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Adit. Have a great day ahead. Thank you, Abhiram. Thank you, Abhishri. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, Maulik. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Maulik?
Rukhsar ma'am, stop recording.
Yes.